Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Logging is an essential aspect of software development that provides insights into the application's behavior, performance, and issues. Here are 12 logging best practices that you can implement to improve your logging strategy, along with code examples to illustrate each point. 1. Use a logging library. Instead of using print statements, use a logging library like logging in Python, log4j in Java, or Winston in node.js. Python. Import logging. Logging.basicconfig, level equals logging.info. Logger equals logging.getlogger, __name___. 2. Choose the right log level. Use appropriate log levels, debug, info, warning, error, critical, to categorize the importance of log messages. Python. Logger.debug, this is a debug message. Logger.info, this is an informational message. Logger.warning, this is a warning message. Logger.error, this is an error message. Logger.critical, this is a critical message. 3. Log meaningful messages. Ensure log messages are informative and provide enough context to understand the situation. Python. Def divide, a, b. If b equals 0. Logger.error, attempted to divide by 0, a equals %s, b equals %s, a, b. Return none. Return a/b. 4. Include contextual information. Add relevant contextual information like timestamps, module names, and user IDs. Python. Logger.info, user %s logged in at %s, user_ID, datetime.now. 5. Avoid logging sensitive information. Never log sensitive information such as passwords, personal data, or API keys. Python. Logger.info, user %s attempted to change their password, user_ID, good. Logger.info, user %s changed their password to %s, user_ID, new_password, bad. 6. Use structured logging. Use structured logging to log data in a structured format, example JSON, for easier querying and analysis. Python. Import JSON. Logger.info, JSON.dumps, event, user_login, user_ID, user_ID, status, success. 7. Log exceptions with tracebacks. Always log exceptions with their stack traces for easier debugging. Python. Try. Result equals sum_function. Accept exception as e. Logger.exception, an error occurred while executing sum_function, %s, e. 8. Implement log rotation. Use log rotation to prevent log files from growing indefinitely. Python. Import logging. From logging.handlers import rotating file handler. Handler equals rotating file handler, app.log, max bytes equals 2000, backup count equals 10. Logger.add handler, handler. 9. Use asynchronous logging. Consider using asynchronous logging to avoid performance hits in high-throughput applications. Python. Import asyncio. Import logging. Import concurrent.futures. Logger equals logging.getlogger, __name___. Async def log _message, message. Loop equals asyncio.get_event_loop. Await loop.run _in executor, none, logger.info, message. Async def main. Await log _message, This is an asynchronous log message. Asyncio.run, main. 10. Centralize logging. For larger applications, centralize logging to a logging server or a service like Elk Stack, Splunk, or a cloud-based logging service. YAML. Example log configuration in YAML, example for logs tash. Input. Beats. Port, 5044. Output. Elasticsearch. Hosts, http://localhost 9200. 11. Monitor log files. Implement monitoring on your log files to detect anomalies or issues in real time. Python. Use tools like logwatch or custom scripts to monitor log files for specific patterns. 12. Regularly review and refactor logs. Periodically review your logging strategy and refactor logs to improve clarity and relevance. Python. Schedule a review every few months to assess log effectiveness. Conclusion. By following these 12 logging best practices, you'll create a robust logging strategy that enhances your application's maintainability and helps you quickly identify issues when they arise. Always remember to adapt logging practices to fit your specific application and operational needs.